Hi guys, in this video we will see numerical lock keypad not working on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, numerical lock keypad not working properly, then here are the fixes. The first one is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here scroll down and from the left side of menu bar look for the option accessibility, tap on it, click on it. Thereafter go to right side, scroll down and find out keyboard option. It will show you under interaction. Click on keyboard. Here scroll down and go to the section on screen keyboard, access keys and print screen. On screen keyboard, press the Windows logo key plus Control plus O to turn the on screen keyboard on or off. Keyboard shortcuts, Windows key plus Control plus O. Turn on this feature, and here in on screen keyboard click on options. In options key you will find turn on numeric keypad. Make the check against this option. Enable numerical lock keyboard pad through accessibility settings. Make the check against this option and click on OK. And finally close the on screen keyboard and check whether your numerical lock keyboard shortcut key or numerical lock key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update your keyboard driver. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, under available devices, go to keyboard driver, expand it, right click on your installed keyboard driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for your drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating of your keyboard driver, and after that your numerical lock key must working. That's all.